Have you ever spent an entire morning cleaning your house, only to feel like it still isn't truly clean? The floor looks shiny. The room smells fresh for a moment. But deep inside corners, under furniture, and along wall edges, dirt is still hiding. Most people clean what they can see. Professionals clean what others miss. Today I'm going to show you how an industrial vacuum cleaner transforms ordinary cleaning into deep cleaning, reaching every corner thanks to its powerful water suction system. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why this machine has become one of the most important tools in modern cleaning. Let's be honest. Cleaning manually takes time, energy, and patience. Sweeping pushes dust into the air. Mopping spreads dirty water across the floor. And small household vacuums often lack the power needed for serious cleaning. Hair gets trapped between tiles. Dust collects under tables. Moisture builds up in hidden areas. Over time, these small problems create bigger issues: unpleasant smells, bacteria growth, and floors that never feel completely clean. You may clean every day, but without strong suction power, dirt simply moves from one place to another. This is where industrial cleaning technology changes everything. An industrial vacuum cleaner is designed for heavy-duty cleaning. Unlike regular home vacuums, it can handle dry dust and debris, liquid spills, mud and wet dirt, construction residue, deep floor extraction. The key difference is power. A strong motor creates intense suction capable of pulling dirt, water, and hidden particles from surfaces at the same time. Instead of wiping contamination around, it removes it completely. One of the most impressive features of this machine is its water suction capability. When cleaning with traditional mops, water remains on the floor for minutes. That moisture attracts dust again almost immediately. But with industrial suction, water is extracted instantly. The floor dries faster. No slippery surface. No dirty water left behind. This process not only improves cleanliness, but also protects flooring materials over time. Tiles stay brighter, grout lines remain cleaner, and mold has less chance to grow. You are not just cleaning, you are restoring the surface. Corners are the hardest areas to clean. Standard tools cannot reach tight spaces easily, but industrial vacuum cleaners come with specialized nozzles, designed for precision cleaning. Narrow heads reach along wall edges. Flexible hoses go under furniture. Strong airflow pulls hidden dust outward. Watch closely when cleaning corners. You'll notice debris appearing from places that looked clean before. That's because deep suction removes layers of dirt built up over weeks or even months. This is the difference between surface cleaning and deep cleaning. The cleaning process becomes simple and efficient. First, vacuum loose dust and debris. Next, apply water or cleaning solution if needed. Then allow the machine to extract everything, dirt, liquid, and residue, in one smooth motion. There is no need to mop repeatedly, no need to wait long for drying, and no need to struggle with heavy buckets of dirty water. The machine does the hard work. You guide it. This saves both time and physical effort, especially when cleaning large areas like kitchens, workshops, or rental spaces. Professional cleaning services rely on industrial vacuum cleaners for one main reason: consistency. Results become predictable. Every floor looks evenly clean. Every corner receives attention. Every session produces visible improvement. For businesses, this means higher standards. For homeowners, it means less stress. Instead of spending hours cleaning repeatedly, one thorough session achieves better results. Efficiency replaces exhaustion. Deep suction cleaning also improves indoor air quality. Dust particles are captured instead of floating back into the air. This helps reduce allergens, especially in homes with pets or high humidity. Cleaner floors mean cleaner air, and cleaner air means a more comfortable living environment for everyone. Cleaning is no longer just about appearance. It becomes part of maintaining a healthier space. Cleaning doesn't have to be harder. It just needs to be smarter. An industrial vacuum cleaner changes the way we think about cleaning, from surface wiping to deep extraction. Every corner, every spill, every hidden layer of dirt. If you enjoyed watching this deep cleaning process, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow along for more transparent cleaning experiences. Because a truly clean space is something you can see, feel, and breathe.